Yesterday we discussed mean deviation. When you look at the formula of mean deviation, in the formula for continuous, for discrete, and for grouped or for any grouped or ungrouped data, in the formula we take sum of xi minus x bar mod. Okay, mod means positive value or absolute value. So if here this formula is to find the mean deviation about mean, and for about median we'll write capital A here. So in all the formula we take absolute value. Okay, so what about the negative value? So we are just ignoring the negative value. Okay, that is why this is the drawback of this method, mean deviation. Okay, in the computation of mean deviation we use absolute value, therefore it cannot be subjected to further algebraic treatment, right? Whatever answer we are getting after taking this absolute value, that is not exact, nearly equal. So now we have introduced another measure, variance and standard deviation. Okay, now what is this variance and standard deviation? So there is only one change. Okay, see here, to find the sum, if suppose if we are getting a negative value, so what we have done, we have taken absolute value. So is there any other way to make this value positive? Yes, by taking square. So the only difference in the formula of mean deviation and standard deviation is in standard deviation, and before we find standard deviation we will find variance. So variance of any data, any observation is represented by VARX, or it is also represented by this sign. This sign is known as sigma. Okay, this is known as sigma. This is summation or sigma, and this is also sigma. Okay, it's only a symbol. Here the meaning is sum, but it's only a symbol. So variance is represented by sigma square, and this is equals to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar. Instead of putting this mod, we will put square. This is the only difference in the formula of mean deviation and standard deviation. Okay, right? So this is variance. Now how to find standard deviation and variance? So the relation between standard deviation and variance is, standard deviation is root. Okay, this is simply root of variance, means sigma. So standard deviation is represented by sigma. Okay, root of variance, in simple word we can say standard deviation is equals to root of variance. Okay, now we will see questions.